please. Hope you are writing your observation notes, please. Please help me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Sure, sure. Yeah. Practice till here carefully, okay? Please do it. Just wait. Just wait. Yes. So our requirement, how to edit or change the audience name in Power BI Cloud. Come on, please. How to do it now? Yes, mic with everyone. Mic with everyone, please. How to do it, please? I'll wait. How to do it, please? I'll wait.
Go to app.
Go to
App.
edit. Go to edit. Then this one. Go to apps first, right? Audience is in apps, right? Isn't it, please? Everyone, are we getting it? Mic with everyone, please let me know. Right? Yes, everyone. Audience is pertaining to app, right? Power BI app.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Come on, guide me now how to edit the app, or how to edit the audience. Please tell me. Click on app, right? Apps. Verify your app. And what next? Manage permissions, isn't it? Yes, everyone. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Others, please check your mic, please. What next? Our requirement is to edit the audience, like rename the audience or change the users or groups, set the permissions, etc. What we do? Manage audience, right? This one. So home, app, audience, manage audience. What next? What next?
New audience. Double click.
Exactly. So double click. This is the audience I already have. I already have this audience with me. See here. Some users are there. I got my audience ready. I got some permissions also ready. Now double click and change it. I'll call it as Power BI audience, app audience we call app audience 1. Or say for example global, because it is complete entire organization access, something like this. New audience, I'll call it as Power BI app and power users. Power users mean say regular active users with read and write permissions. I would like to give PBI user. See, earlier audience is for the entire organization. Now only for particular users I would like to read permissions. Update app. See here, any changes you do, we need to update the app like this. Verify it. Go to app. Go back again. Go back. And what we do? Go to app once again. Go to app. Manage permissions. I'm verifying the change, okay? Because we updated the app, right? Verify it. So now we are able to happily see the audience here. See there? Global audience and power user audience. Are we getting it, please? I'll wait. Did you get it, please? Yeah. Fine. So with this information, so we learned how to work with reports, dashboards, tiles, and report activities, operations, actions, and linking reports inside dashboard. You remember, please, yesterday's class? Linking reports inside dashboard. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Others, please make sure we do on-time practice. Please help me. Then we learnt about how to create apps today. And did you practice our gateways one? Gateways for data refresh. Done, or can I expect you to complete it before tomorrow's class? Please let me know. I'll wait.
Before tomorrow's class.
Perfect. Yeah, please. Okay. Everyone, please do it before tomorrow's class. Please help me. You have a lot to learn next. Thank you.